Welcome. I welcome you all in this today's interesting video. We will discuss about Agada Tantra syllabus in this video. Myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology. My WhatsApp number is 9226810 My dear friends, in my Ayurveda Academic channel, you will find very interesting videos for all subjects. First year, second year, third year, fourth year, starting from Rachana Sharira, Kriya Sharira, Dravya Guna Vidyan, Roga Nidan, Kaya Chikitsa, Panchakarma, Shastra, Dravya Guna, what not. And in each playlist, in each subject, you will find all the question papers of that subject. You will find all the syllabus of each subject. And this particular PDF, if you want soft copy of the PDF in this particular format, you can WhatsApp me. This is a paid service. Okay. So there are also videos which are useful for the teachers, which are useful for the doctors. Medicine classes for GP. Remember, medicine classes for GP that I have made for the doctors, and they are very happy. Even the patients, they always take online consultation and personal consultations because of this knowledge, experience, and that what I am sharing. Okay, so let us start with Agata Tantra syllabus. Agata Tantra is toxicology and medical jurisprudence. Nyaya Vaidyak, court, summons, this is also included. Then snake bite, dog bite, and all the food adulteration and medicinal herbs which are toxic in nature, metals which are toxic in nature, how to treat these cases. All these are included in even the post-mortem. This is the important topic of practical experience that you will learn in Agata Tantra. This is for third year BMS now. It was previously for second year. Now it is for third year BMS. Okay. Purpose of this PPT. This PPT is based on the new syllabus of CCIM implemented from 2012. This is like a ATP, advanced teaching program of that particular subject. If you learn this by heart, you will definitely get confidence of that particular subject. Very useful for teachers and students. Student can recite the syllabus, which can boost up their confidence to get the success. Teachers and students can download this PPT in the smartphone to keep eye on their subject goal. Terminology, toxicology. Agata Tantra means toxicology. Vyavahar Ayurveda. Vyavahar Ayurveda means forensic medicine. Vidhi Vaidyak. Vidhi Vaidyak medical jurisprudence. Okay. Examination. There is theory one paper only of 100 marks and practical is of only 50 marks. Okay. Part A. Derivation definition of Visha. Visha Utpatti scope of Agata Tantra. Visha Guna, Visha Gati and Visha Veg. Whichever the words they are made black and red, they are most important for your examination and for your medical practice. Remember, that's why I have made what you can say. Otherwise, syllabus will be available on the net, but in the format that I am presenting is very much important. So concentrate on the words Visha Gati and Visha Vega. Definition of toxicology, definition of poison, classification of poisons. Always ask this question: classification of organic poison, non-organic poison, animal poison, metallic poison. Okay. Then acidic poison, alkali poison, their actions, route of administration, absorption, excretion, metabolism, everything you must know. Diagnosis and general principles of treatment of poisoning cases. Poisoning cases are always there in our medical practice. Then what I should do? Duties of medical practitioner in case of suspected poisoning, special case paper record, consent from the relatives, inform to the police, this and that, everything you will learn over here. Part A, Visha and Oja. Difference between Visha, Madhya and Oja. You know, Oja is concerned with the immunity, is a positive, it's a physiological. Whatever we have the immunity is called Oja in Ayurveda. Oja is good, and opposite to that properties of Oja are the properties of Visha. This is the contradictory opposite words. Oja, immunity, and Visha, which diminishes the immunity, which destroy the immunity, that is called as a Visha. Madhya is alcohol consumption, Visha Upadrava, okay, and Visha Mukta Lakshana. Part A, fourth point, modern toxicological techniques to detect the poisons. Then signs and symptoms of Visha affected organ and personal effects. Poisoning with Anjana, that we put the ointment in the eye. Lepo, okay. Then Abharana, that means ornament that we wear. Even the kumkum dermatitis is very common. Kumkum dermatitis, that is a type of the side effect of a particular element. Okay. Introduction to the environmental toxicology. Environmental, sound pollution, air pollution, water pollution. This is toxin, this is vicious effect of chemical and nuclear warfare. Okay. Then Vishopakrama, general principle of management of poisoning. This question is always asked in your examination. Manifestation of poisoning due to the poisons of plant origin and how you will manage that particular poisoning. Then Visha and Upavisha. Some of the importance are Ark, Snuhi, Langali, Karavir, Gunja, Ahifen, Dhattur, Vatsnab, Bhang, tobacco, digitalis, even digitalis, that is heart. You know the interesting thing about digitalis? We use the lanoxin for the heart patient, CCF, congestive cardiac failure. That lanoxin is called as a weekly off. Very interesting, weekly off. This is given from Monday to Saturday. Sunday it is not given. Why? Because if you give continuously that digitalis, that is called as a cumulative toxicity. Cumulative toxicity. This is also happening with Viruddha Ahara. Interesting, incompatible food. For example, milk and banana together. If that particular person, patient is consuming for years together, it is not for one day or 1 week. If the patient is for a month, for years taking the banana and milk together, Shikrana in Maharashtra state, then that can give rise to the leukoderma, psoriasis, many skin diseases. That is also a part of Visha. Okay. Garavish and Dushivish. What are the definition? Garavish, Dushivish, and Viruddha Ahar, incompatible food, food adulteration and poisoning. FDA rules. Then Jangamavisha, cobra, detailed study of the Sarpavisha, Kita, Luta, okay. Then Alarka, then dog bite or rabies that we must know about. Introduction to the poisoning due to the acids and alkalis, metals and non-metals, asphyxiants and other. Their fatal dose, fatal period, manifestation, management, all these things. Medical-legal aspect. Acids and alkalis, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, oxalic acid, carbolic acid, formic acid. If it is taken by accident as a purpose of homicidal or accidental or whatsoever suicidal attempt, then what will be the effects? Asphyxiants, which will create a dyspnea, breathlessness, carbon monoxide, that is the air pollution, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, non-metallic poisons like phosphorus, iodine, metallic poisoning, arsenic poisoning, mercurial poisoning for killing the purpose, okay, for to kill the person, adulteration, mixed in the coffee, mixed in the tea, mixed in the food, then lead poisoning, copper poisoning, zinc. There is a misconception about Ayurvedic drugs that Ayurvedic drugs can be nephrotoxic, kidney damage, hepatotoxic, liver damage. That is not true, because whatever metals Ayurveda is using, by pure, that what you can say, the nanoparticle conversion is there and purification, shodhana prakriya is there. So Ayurvedic herbominerals are not at all poisonous. Remember this thing. Then petroleum, kerosene, organophosphorus compounds like aluminum phosphate, all these poisons you must study. Madhya and Madatyaya, that is alcohol poisoning, ethanol and methanol, gauthi daru. The liquor is prepared in the, what you can say, in a wrong fashion. Introduction to the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985. This particular law you must know. The next part B, definition of Vyavahar Ayurveda, forensic medicine, and Vidhi Vaidyak, that is medical jurisprudence. Then concise history of Vyavahar Ayurveda, introduction to the Indian Penal Code, Indian Penal Code, Indian Evidence Act, and Criminal Procedure Code. All the laws, rules, regulation, court matter is coming the subject of Agada Tantra. Okay. Legal procedures, inquest, evidence, what is meant by witness, what is meant by court, their powers, High Court, Supreme Court, district courts. You must know all these terms. Personal identity, forensic odontology, introduction to the forensic serology, and DNA profiling. Okay, very subtle study is there. Death, very important topic about Agatantra, death and its medico-legal aspect. Medico-legal autopsy and exhumation. Exhumation. injuries and thermal injuries. Okay, they are medico-legal aspect. Every time, whenever you study the Agata Tantra medico-legal aspect, two terms, medicine and legal. Legal means court matter. Okay, you must know this laws and regulations. Dowry death, domestic violence, asphyxial death, and medico-legal importance. Medico-legal importance of pregnancy, delivery, battered baby, abortion, infanticide, virginity, legitimacy, artificial insemination. All this is very interesting topics. Sexual offenses, which are very, very common from old age to till death, no reduction in the sexual offenses. So sexual perversions, what is that sexual perversions? Introduction to the forensic psychiatry, forensic laboratory, this is very important. Ethics as in classical text, that is types of Vaidya, Pranabhisara and Rogabhisara Vaidya. Then responsibilities of the Vaidya, Chaturvidha Vaidya Vritti, qualities of Vaidya, Dakshatir Thatta Shastrartho, Drishta Karma, Shuchir Bhishak, as Vagbhat has said, four qualities of Vaidya. Laws in relation to the medical practitioner, Indian Medicine Central Council Act. Indian Medicine Central Council Act. Then medical record, how to maintain the medical record, case papers and all these things. Physician's responsibility of criminal matters, professional negligence. This term is very common nowadays. Professional negligence. If you don't take the proper consent, if you don't record the everything, signs and symptoms and findings on your case paper, in the accidental case, if you don't report to the police, everything is problematic for you if you don't be update with this Agata Tantra and what you can say the update of your dispensary, clinic and management administration part, because that is coming under the professional negligence, civil negligence, criminal negligence, medical legal aspect of acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. What is that? Yes, HIV and AIDS. You know, simple thing. When you diagnose any patient or HIV or AIDS, that particular patient's this information is should be kept very confidential. You should not discuss about this patient of AIDS in the corridor of the clinic, in the corridor of the hospital. That is a legally, this is a ban and this is not allowed. Rights of an unborn child, Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act, MTP. Okay, transplantation, transplantation of human organs bill 1994, prenatal diagnostic testing act. You know that we cannot determine male or female by sonography. No, it is not allowed. That is an offense. So you must understand this in Agata Tantra. Then malingering of find diseases, International Code of Medical Ethics for doctors, Clinical Establishment Act, Consumer Protection Act 1986, practical training of post-mortem, most important. Go to the hospitals, post-mortem, evidence in the court, demonstration in the forensic and toxicology museums, clinical postings, laboratory hours of compilation. Then marks, here, post-mortem examination, court posting, case record, 10 marks. Practical clinical work, 10 marks. Identification, spotting, 10 marks. Viva, 20 marks total, 50 marks. Okay, so this is all about Agata Tantra syllabus. My dear friends, this is all for today. I request, please like this video, share this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel to boost up my energy. You can get paid services by WhatsApp 922681060, PPT as per demand, audio as per demand, and video as per demand. So I wish you all the best. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Best for third year BMS, best for fourth year BMS, and best of luck for your practice. God bless you, my dear friends. All the best. All the best. All the best.